Hey guys, my name is Soumya. I'm a psychic reader. So today I'm going to do collective reading. What's coming up next? Okay, whether it's your love life, you are in a separation mode or in commitment mode, or you're married, or you're just newly married, or regarding your career. Okay. So I'll be taking some random messages over here. Whatever messages I'll be getting, it will be very much random. So this is a general reading. Take what resonates with you, rest you can leave behind. Okay. So I'll be taking your before messages. What are your before thoughts? Okay. And then we'll be taking your after messages. Okay, after thoughts. So let's see your before thoughts. Let's see your person before thoughts if it's come over here. If I get a particular message. So what are my viewers before thoughts? What are my viewers before thoughts? Okay, I am getting vibes like for most of you, your wish fulfillment is in hand. There is like a bird in your head. It is coming all the time in you, all the times it's standing beside you. You are waiting for some wish fulfillment, trying for some balance out, but it's not happening. Now this wish fulfillment is regarding your finances, regarding your money, regarding your properties. Okay, I do see there is a female. This person is thinking regarding her property a lot, regarding her family a lot. There is a wish fulfillment regarding lots of materialistic things. Okay, there is a union still hanging on. The union is on stake right now. There is a resistance of your person to come for a reunion, come for the commitment, giving you commitment right now. There is like you, and you are getting like full of emotional, full in deep thinking when this thing will be happening, when I'll be coming on union, or when your person will be giving you stability. I'm getting that kind of energy from you. Okay, so now let's see your afterthoughts. Okay, I'm getting another messages that you can see lots of 10 10 10 number, 333 10 10 10. And you are being so much deeply thinking that you might cry. I'm getting this kind of message. Spirit, please guide me. What are the afterthoughts of my viewers? What are the afterthoughts from my viewers? Okay, for my viewers out here. Now we'll see what are your afterthoughts. Okay, what is happening right now or in coming future with you? What footstep you can take? Okay, I do feel you are juggling around with your finances or your person. You are waiting for their contact or communication. There is like some traveling happening around. Okay, I feel you are planning for some traveling, or your person is planning for some traveling to come towards you, to meet you. And there is a juggling of finances going on. You are waiting that when your finances will be on balance. As I said before on your before thoughts, that you can be so much concerned about your finances, properties, or inheritance. So I'm getting that kind of message. Also, I'm getting message that you are not taking action right now as you are scared to take footstep that you may fall off again, but it's not true. Once you take risk, there is a spirit guide of a dog or your archangel or your whosoever God you believe in, that is guiding you to take risk ahead. Don't see that path, just move on and take risk. Okay, because whatever, with leap of faith, with full of trust, you are taking that trust. You are taking that leap of faith and you are moving on. So things will be progressing your way very soon. Okay, once you take action. Now this progress is like once you take action, you might have to shift from one place to another. There can be a transformation regarding your finances. Okay. And if you are thinking of love situation, I do feel once you shift your program of mind from your person, once you stop giving them that particular attention, okay, like texting, calling, or just talking to them in front, you will see the clarity itself coming up towards you. Now this clarity can be very much stable, which is coming up. Okay, so don't be scared, just express your feelings and just be blunt to your partner. Whether they say no, yes, you just have to take it. Okay, and if you are not able to take it, it means that you are not aligned to yourself still. Okay, so you have to accept their yes or no, because they are ready to accept your yes or no. Okay, so this was your collective message, guys. Hope it resonates with you. Until see you next time. Bye bye.